Student, this question is case study question from chapter Application of Trigonometry. It is given here. A point A is the position of a jet fighter flying in the sky. This is the point A. The angle of elevation of point A from the ground is shown. The angle of elevation is also given here, which is 60 degree. After 15 seconds, the jet fighter moves in the direction A to P. A to P you can see here, and reaches at point P. The angle of elevation of point P on the ground is shown also here, which is 30 degree. Now there are some questions on this. The question is angle of elevation of point A from the ground, which is 60 degree. So answer is 60 degree. Then the angle of elevation of point P from the ground, point P, which is 30 degree. Here also from the diagram you can see this is 30 degree. The distance, what is the distance AP? The distance AP if the jet is flying at the speed of 720 km per hour in 15 seconds. So for this distance AP, speed is given and time is given, so we will calculate. Distance equals to, which is according to formula, speed into time. So speed is here 720 km per hour, 720 km per hour, and time is 15 seconds. So we need to convert these units in same unit. 720 into 1000 meter over 3600 seconds into 15 seconds. So when you calculate this 0, this on 36 2s are 20. So this become 20 into 10 into 15. So this is 3000 meters. So answer will be 3000 meters. So this is here 3000 meters. Next part is, if the jet is flying at a speed of 720 km, then the constant height at which it is flying, constant height means AQ or PD. This is because this is constant height. So these both AP, PD or AQ we need to find out. So for that we will use the trigonometric ratio in triangle ABQ. In ABQ we will use here, in triangle ABQ, perpendicular over base AQ over BQ, which equals to tan 60, and tan 60 is root 3. So AQ will be here BQ root 3 meters, and in triangle PBQ, PBD, PD over BD, that equals to tan 30 degree. And here you can see this QD we already calculated in the previous part, which is 3000. So we can break this BD. So PD equals to BD into tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So AD and PD both we have calculated from these, and AQ and this PD both are equal because these are of same height. So we will equate these both equations. So when we equate AQ equals to PD, so AQ is BQ root 3 and PD is BD by root 3. So when we cross multiply this, BQ into 3 equals to BD. And you can see here BD equals to BQ plus QD. So we will write this BQ plus QD, and QD is 3000. So BQ plus 3000, this become 3BQ. So this BQ will go to left side. 3BQ minus BQ equals to 3000. So 2BQ equals to 3000. So BQ is here 1500. So BQ is 1500. We will put this value of BQ in this equation. So from here AQ equals to 1500 root 3 meter. So AQ is height of the aircraft from the ground. Now next part is AB is called this AB is called line of sight. AB, this is a direct answer. AB is called line of sight. For point A. So these are the answers for these questions.